Hey guys, welcome back to the Confirm and RM YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We're getting ourselves back into a 2-minute technicals with BNB. So we can see right here, getting right into it. BNB is faring the worst out of all of them right now. We were just going over a situation with Ethereum, with it hitting up here on 702 to 786, and the numerous attempts to get through right here, and getting hampered by the 20-day moving average as well. And we can see BNB has preemptively fallen. We were thinking around midday Monday, but I always tell you guys, it doesn't have to reach the apex. It can do it a day or two earlier, or even a day or two later. But in this case, usually it does it prematurely. And as you can see, it is falling. At the moment, I just saw it come down here to the 585. It's been about only $1 up higher, but as you can tell, that's just about a 0.75% rise. But what am I seeing? So we have our short-term little trend line here, and it really ain't doing much, but we have a short-term Fibonacci kind of laid out here for us so we can understand what's going on, just showing the numerous retests going through this 702 and 786, coming back down for a full extension target to the downside here at around 285. And we did do it. We reached a little bit below it by about 20 cents, hitting it on the dot, but this is what we're seeing. So we're technically right at the moment we have reached our full corrective wave downwards. So we're going to see how it plays out here. We're extremely in the floor here with RSI. We came right back down to our lows that we saw here on March 3rd, and even almost to the point where we had seen ourselves in mid-February, so at the beginning of February. So I'm looking to see here that the BNB is officially bottomed. It's basically the same region it did here on February 13th, even over here on January 18th, and over here on January 11th. I mean, it's just coming back down for another retest down. I'm just going to keep myself with a not a stop loss, but just a corrective measure of just watching this region right here. This is a major retest region and a major support region, and I'm just making sure that it definitely adheres by that. But if we go back a little bit, we can see here that on a long-term chart, this is our bottom here around the 86.3 region. So what we're going to want to do is just see how the day winds up closing, because obviously today has how many hours left? 21 hours. It just started. This candle just started. It could just be a brief wick and get itself back up into this trend. But as you can see, we're coming down for the full target. It's already made it. So now we're just going to see how it fares, if we can hold ourselves above this 286.3. But if not, you might get that cheeky wick down here to around that 281, or even possibly if we do run a negative. So like an inverse Fibonacci, you can see it's hitting here around the 280 and then 271. So that's what I'm looking at. But I'm thinking, if worst case scenario for me is going to be watching this 281, which is basically just 280 to 1618, and then a rebound upwards would be expected in my own opinion. I'm not seeing it. It's not extreme oversold on here on the one. I mean, it is, but not terribly like this on the 4 hour, because the 4 hour is pretty in the floor. So, all right, guys. Hope you're having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Just look out for some of those price targets that I'm putting out there, and I'll see you in the next one.